Hey boys and girls, welcome back to some more anyway Nonograms. Uh sorry, boys and girls and non-binary pals. Welcome back to some more daily mini Nonograms. It is April 10. It is 10 p.m. and we're back. So, um I've had a bit of a long day today, so I wish that this puzzle won't stress me out that much. But oh well, whatever. Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, so digging for an opening, of course, as we always do. And 111, 7. Man, if all of our progress is gonna be at the center, like the last, um, the last puzzle, that's not gonna be good. I don't like that. 15, 1, 1, 2. That's minus 7. So 2, 13. 2, 13, and then minus 7, which is this. Okay, 7, 1, 9, 4, minus 6. Alright. 3, 3, 1, 10, 1. Nope. 2, 1, 14. 4 minus 6. Yep. 4, 4, 8, 3. Wait, that might lead somewhere. Oh, it does. 4, 4, 8, 3. Yeah, leads to that. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. I can respect that. 4, 7, 8. 5, 3. Alright, I can respect that. So this is our 8. This is our 3. 4. 4. Good. Sorry, you're done. 3, 3. 3, 2. 3, 3. 1, 3. 2. 6. Very sweet. 1, 3. Sick, I'm wrong. Hang on. Let me restart that. It's fine, it's fine. 4, 4, 8, 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 4. Let me just make sure I have my numbers correct. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Yeah. Now what? Oh, yeah, of course it's wrong. I forgot to remove this 3. Duh. 3, 3. So that would be 3, 3, 8, 2, minus 5. We already know that though. Okay. Not the lead I thought it was, but whatever. Oh, wait, this 11. Okay, wait, this might be something. That's 4, and then 8, and then 3. Very nice. Okay, this takes us somewhere. It is 5, 9, 3. Nothing here. 2, 3, 7, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. 6, nothing here. 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. Nothing here. 8, 2, 7, 3, 5, 3, 7, 2, 4, 4, 6. That's 1, that's 2, that's 2, 5, 4, 4, 3. That's 2. This is a 3. That's a 1. It completes this. Good, very nice. What now? That's 1. Um, 9? No. 9, 5 minus 7 leaves 2. Yeah, eliminate. This is a 1. Yeah, very nice, very nice. That's a 6. This is a 5. And that's a 1. Okay. 17. 12 minus 5. That's 8. That's 10. That's 14. This. Oh, this is 6. That's 2. Okay, very nice. That's 4. This is 4. This is 6. This is 7. Nice. It's 4. 3. And then there. Yup. And then this is a 2. So there's nothing here, nothing here. So then this 4. That's a 2. That's a 3. There's nothing here. So that's a 4. And that's a 2. Yeah, that lines up. Makes sense. Makes sense. Nothing here. So nothing here. And yeah. Okay. 7, 1, and 9 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I hope that's right. Sounds right. It's 14 minus 3. That's a 5 minus 2. This is a 3, so nothing here. 3, 4 minus 2 minus 2. That's 3. It's 4. That's 9. That's 7. That's 9. This is 6. 1. Good, good. It's 12. 3. Very nice. It's 9. 1. It's 3. Yeah. 7. That's 1. 10. 6. And then 8. Nothing here. This is a 10. This is 11. 3, 4. Complete. 4, 3. Very good. 2. Nothing here. Nothing here. It's 9. It's 9. Yep. Nothing here. This is okay. There's a 1, 1, 2, 1, 6. That's a 2. Good. So this is a 3, and this is 14. Good. That's a 1. This is 11. That's a 3. That's a 6. This is a 6. Or yeah, that's a 6. Confirmed. That's a 3. So 9, 1, 6, 1 minus 2. Whew, that's a 2, 6, 1, 4, 3, 3, 3. Yeah, that makes sense. 3, 3, yeah. 14. It's 3, 14, 10. Yeah, makes sense to me. Nothing here. That's a 3. That's 2. This is 1. This is 13. This is 1. 4, 3. Yep. My head's starting to hurt a little bit. This is a 2, guaranteed. This is a 1. That's at least a 2. Good. So this is a 3. That's a 3. Nice. This is a 2 at least. Actually, it's a 6. Yeah, that makes sense. 4, 3. Yeah. This is an 8 minus 2 is a 5. 3. 3. Yep. 3, 6. 1, 5, 3, 4. Yup. Where else can we go? There's nothing here, pretty sure. Sounds right. 1, 1, 7, no space. 7's over here. Yeah, minus 3. There's an 8. Yeah, there's a 9. There's an 8 again. Nothing here. Extend this 9. Yeah, like that. This doesn't reach anymore, so this is the 1. This is the 6. There's another 6. It's a 5. Good. Four. Nothing here. 6. Okay. Then this 1, 4, good. That's 3. There's 4. 6 minus 5, 2. So 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 2. Very nice. 1 and then 4. 3, 1, 2. Nothing here. It's 9. That's 2. Nothing here. 4, 6. Nothing here. 6. 1 complete. 1, 4 complete. Yep. 2, 1. Nothing here. It's an 8. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6, and then 6. 3. 1. I'm not sure, but this is 6 though. That I'm sure about. That's done, that's done. That's 3. 7, 9, 5. Nothing. Nothing. So this is I'm not sure. Oh wait, I am sure. This is a 3. 1, 4, 1, 8. And then there's an 8. That's 2. This is an 8. Great. 7. 1, 2, 3, 7. 2, 13. 1, 1, 1, 2. Very good. Very good. That's 2. 1, 5, 3, 4. 2, 3. 2, 5 minus 3. 5. Nope. Where do I go? Here. 1, 3, 2, 3. Nice. 2, 3. Good. Great. Nothing here. That's... I don't know yet. Hmm. 7 minus 2. 1, 1, 2. It's a 1. 5. Nothing here. 3. 2, 5, 3, 4. What now? Wait. So 2, 3. If that's the 2, there's no space for the 3. So there's the 2. There's a 3. That's a 3. Nothing here. 7. 2, 13. 1, 3, 2, 3. 6, 6, 6. Holy. 1, 4. Yeah, 1, 4, 2, 2. Yep, great. 2, 5, 8. 1, 1, 3, 3, 3. 1, 1, 7. Yep, good. 2, 2. 1, 3, 3. And that should be all for this section. Now going back here. 2, 4, 6, 1, 3. This is a 2. That's a 1. So this is done. And this is done. 6, 5, done. 6, done. 5, done. And done and dusted. There we go. Sick. 1913, not that bad. I'll take that any day. Alright then. That was pretty good. That was pretty okay. Alright. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed.